Today I am going to discuss about Closure by using Swift UI. By using Swift UI framework. Today I am going to discuss about Closure by using Swift UI. So first of all, we are going to discuss about Closure in Swift. What is Closure? Closure self-contained blocks of functionality. Closure self-contained blocks of functionality that can be passed around and used in your code So firstly we can create an example. Let's consider one example. We can create a Swift UI view, command and Swift UI view. Sorry, which have noticed command and we're gonna create a Swift UI view which have a name is Closure base screen. Firstly, base screen demo, which have a name is base screen demo, Closure base screen demo, and we can use of another class. Closure is a which can use of two class. We can create another class command and so we can create a Swift UI view. Firstly name is which have a name and firstly name is Closure selection screen demo. Closure selection screen demo which have a created to UI view. So firstly important Swift UI view, and firstly we can create a basic screen design. Firstly create a basic screen design. So firstly we can create a navigation view. Navigation is hierarchy of view. Navigation view. Firstly we can create a navigation view, and so firstly we can create a navigation view, and we can create a suppose which have a vstack. Create a template is vstack. We are going to create a vstack, and firstly we are going to create a image which have image empty. Let us resume on UI. This empty, we're gonna apply this image of frame and dot resizable dot frame. Frame size is 30 and 30, 300 width and 300 height. Remove this alignment on the image. Remove the alignment on the image. We can suppose which have images chevron. Sorry, we can create apple image. So on UI designing and apple image. So in our asset is important apple image. So we can assign the name of apple image. Same name is asset name image. So we're gonna create a spacer which have a spacing dot frame. Suppose HEIGST height is 44. Spacer is 44, and we're gonna create a text. We're gonna create a text. This is empty text. You can name it empty. We're gonna apply the title weight on the text. We're gonna apply the weight is heavy on the text, and we're gonna create a spacer. Command C copy and we can paste. Spacer is 40, which have is 40. Spacer is 40. Spacer value is is 20. 20 is superb spacing. So we can create a text. We can same copy and paste. Empty and empty. Number of which have name and any other name we can text. So number of numbers. So we're gonna create a button. on UI button which have a button which have initializer action and label, which have initializer action and label. We're gonna create action. So button name is next screen, next achieved, next set data, set data, which have a name next set data on UI, on UI. So we're gonna apply the font on this text, and we're gonna apply the weight is heavy, and we're gonna apply the background color on the button, dot background color. So and we're gonna apply the frame, we're gonna apply the frame on the button, suppose which have 300 and is 60, which have 50, that is 50 width. We're gonna remove this alignment, we're gonna remove alignment. So we're gonna remove alignment, we're gonna apply the background color. So background color dot red, we can apply the color dot red, and we're gonna apply the corner radius. Suppose we have a 30, we're gonna apply the corner radius, we can set on the button, and we're gonna apply the spacer on bottom. Spacer on bottom is 44. We're gonna apply the spacer on the bottom, we stack bottom on the spacer. This which can assign the value is 44. So the UI is complete create, and we can set on the spacing is 40 and is 20 is 40. We can set on the UI. So beautiful UI create. So we're gonna create this UI base screen, and we can create another screen is selection screen. So selection screen we gonna create a stack. We're gonna create a stack. Suppose which have a button, which have a button on UIs, which have any slider type action, and its button is show. So we can create a show apple in UI, show apple data, apple image and name UI, show apple image and name on the UI. So we're gonna apply the font which have a title and font weight. We're gonna apply the heavy, and color is, so we're gonna apply the frame, and corner radius. We're gonna apply the background, we're gonna apply the frame. Firstly dot frame which have applied 30, and is we're gonna apply this 40, and we remove this alignment is resume, we can resume. We're gonna apply the background color dot background color. So color dot yellow color, we're gonna apply the color on this color dot yellow color, and we're gonna apply the corner radius on the button 30. We're gonna apply the corner radius on the button, which have its weight height is 50. We can set on the UI. So set is text is largest, so 30 is 35 width, and we can title is change on the font with title, which have is title 2, show apple image in UI, name in UI, image and name UI. So we can create a complete button on this UI. So firstly we can create a, today I am going to discuss about closure by using Swift UI. Today I am going to discuss about closure by using Swift UI. so we can create a two closure. So var first is we can create a closure which have a parameter, which have parameter in string and which have parameter string but no return value, which have parameter but no return. We can get completion handler which have a name of closure, and we can achieve parameter string comma integer, comma integer, which have parameter and which is a no return value, which is a optional closure. Optional is period not value assigned. This is a optional. Optional is a setting. Optional is a last set in the value. So we can create another closure var sum of two numbers. Sum of we're going to create a sum of two numbers closure. So which is type of integer comma integer, which have written on integer, and we can create an optional closure. So integer and integer, so this is integer. So we can create all the complete on the closure, and so we can calling on the button action call on the UI. So firstly we can call on the completion handler. So this is let we can create a result. Let result sum of two number, result equal to sum of two numbers and 2, 3 sum. So suppose which have a 2, 3 sum. Suppose which have a 2 and 3, this is sum of 5. So 2 and sum is 3. Then we can calling of another closure, completion handler, which have a two string, comma string and comma result. Result is a optional. So first a force unwrap is unwrapping on result. It's a force unwrap. So which have a name is apple. Apple is name, which have a name is apple is image, and name is apple. So we can pass on the parameter. So we can use the optional. So we can calling on the optional calling. Completion hand code or complete. So we can use a dismiss code assign on the button tab. So dismiss code we can create a environment environment. So slash dot presentation mode, presentation mode var present property, present on the present UI, which have a name is present UI. So we can calling on the present UI, present self dot present UI dot wrapped value dot dismiss and is present. So dismiss and is present calling on the dismiss. So present mode is our defining this UI. We can tab on the event. We can check on the present mode. On UI. So present mode is two properties. Firstly is value and this is zero. We can go in the present mode, present dismiss code and is present code. We can use the dismiss. So we can compare it on the UI of this selection handler. We can create going to the on the demo project base screen on the this UI show screen. Base screen is the UI show screen. So we can create a two property on binding state property. State private var firstly is image name, which is type of string, and second is text name. Second is image name and image, sorry, text, image text. Image text. First is image text. This default value is empty. So default value is empty. And we can create another state property. So is sum of two numbers. Sum of sum, which is type of integer, and default value is m. Default value is 0. And which is type of string, assigned as suppose as string and integer. So we can set on the value. So we can create another state property. Open on the UI is binding. Next button tab is open next screen. Next Apple screen, which is type of bool and default value is false, which have a default value is false. So we can create a for property we can use on your code. Use for property create in use our code. So firstly we can create a navigation link. Navigation link create which have a vstack. Firstly last in vstack we can create a navigation link. Navigation link which have calling, which have initialization title, localization, destination and binding value. So this title is removed and destination is, so binding is dollar is open next is Apple screen, is open next selection screen, which have name is selection screen. Selection screen, and which have binding on dollar selection screen. Bind is active. We can create a destination. Destination is open on screen. Then currently open on, which have tab on event open on screen. So is a closer selection screen, which means closer selection screen demo, which have created initializers, which are calling on the completion handler, some of the completion calling. So first is completion handler calling is which are to image. First is image parameter, second is text, and third is sum, which is your code on your code. So self dot image name equal to image, our image, self dot image name equal to image, and other is self dot image text equal to text, and third is self dot sum equal to sum, is sum. Self dot sum equal to sum. So we can fill on the method, and we can use of another closer. Another closer is two, which have two parameter but return value, but it's a written. Suppose which is the first number is a and secondly number is b. First number is a, which have parameters name is a and b, and we can code is return. Return is a plus b. A plus b. We can use of a plus b, and we can remove on this. We can remove on this presentation with dollar binding is used. So we can bind on this UI on this image. So we can bind UI on this image. So we can bind. So first is default value is empty. We can assign this image name. Image name. Image name is image and is empty text. Image text. First is UI image text. Second bind on property of state property is image text, and third is sum. Third text is sum. So which have a bind on sum state private was sum of the number. And self dot sum of number. Number equal to sum of number equal to sum. and sum of number which are bind on the property. So we can use the integer type. So we can use of string interpolation. We can use of string interpolation. This is the integer property and text is assigned only string property. This is the integer property and text only is assigned only string property, which we can use of. So we can try again. So we can firstly is no assign on the value. Firstly is blank on this UI. So we can set on this text sum and on this run. So we can command shift K and we can resume on this UI. So firstly is closer base scheme. Check closer base scheme. Closer base screen demo, which have polling. Firstly is the resume on this UI. We can set on it. Firstly is empty. So this is the shown no image, and this is the firstly we can run. We can check on this closer by using Swift UI. We can check on the closer by using Swift UI. So by using Swift UI, so firstly this no image and no text, no image name and no sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers is known. So we can click on the next button. So next button is not click. We can check on this. We can check on this button property. Button action is empty. So it is a self dot is open next selection equal to true, which have a bool property. We can tab moment on this property is true. So we can run check on this way. We can tab on the next set data on UI. Set data on UI. We can apply show apple image. We can calling on the next scene and we can tab on the show apple image in Swift UI. This is show apple. We can code on the dismiss code. We can environment presentation dot present joy dot tableau dot dismiss. So we can use of dismiss code. So we can run on UI. We can check on this project. We can check on this project. So we can running and loading on this project. Loading on this project. Check the closer base scheme demo. Closer base scheme demo. Closer base scheme demo. So we can running on the screen. Firstly, we can running on the screen. We can this empty screen. Tab on the next button. So firstly, show apple image and we can calling. So first is breakpoint user. So we can use show and apple user. And we can set on the breakpoint. So we can use of selection screen. Is a dismiss code. So we can check on this UI. Show apple. We can completion handler. Completion handler is apple image and is a apple string. We can string assign this. We can assign in this our UI images. So image which is type image and text which is type of string and we can set. So we can our next breakpoint show apple image in Swift UI. Show apple image in Swift UI. We can check on the breakpoint and we can running show apple image in Swift UI. Remove this breakpoint. We can run. So breakpoint is not breakpoint, and so base screen and not base screen. We can run on this UI. So we can run check on this UI. Firstly, next button set on this data UI. We can set on this UI. So firstly, we can simple use of closer Swift UI. So what is closer definition? Closure is a self-contained block of functionality that can be passed around and used in your code. Closure is a self-contained block of the functionality. Closure is a self-contained block of the functionality that can be passed around and used in your code. That can be passed around and used. Close is the blocks of a functionality that can be passed around. You don't your code around. So thank you for watching this video. We can enjoy and we can set off closure by using SwiftUI superb demo.